Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po. We're from BSED Main 6. May 5 katanungan lang po kami para sa inyo. What's the biggest leadership lesson you've learned from handling a crisis?
After handling a crisis, I think the biggest lessons that I've learned is, of course, having the commitment to do whatever crisis you may do. Kasi, unang-una, kahit anong problema pa yan, basta committed ka, laging may paraan. Yun lang.
Can you share your experience during the time when you had to make a difficult decision quickly during a crisis? What factors did you consider?
Being a leader, you have to consider a lot eh. So one of the best experience na nangyari sa amin is yung research namin, whether we have to present pa ba or hindi na. But of course, research conference siya. Ang ginawa namin is, present pa rin namin siya. Maybe because of, yun nga, we are committed to do what we want or kung ano yung dapat namin gawin. Yun lang, being committed sa kung ano man dapat nang gawin.
Third question, how will you maintain composure and make effective decisions under pressure during a crisis situation?
During a crisis, of course, maging kalmado. Ang best way dyan is, of course, to take a breath. Inhale, exhale, and yeah. Ang purpose nun is, of course, maging kalmado, relax in the moment of crisis.
Fourth question, what communication strategies did you use to keep your team informed and motivated them during the crisis?
During a crisis, of course, maging open. Yeah, yun, maging open ka, whatever, ano man yun, basta lagi dapat silang informed, walang napag-iiwanan.
Last question, after a crisis, how do you reflect and raise awareness about what could be improved for the future?
So, after a crisis, I think it is important na i-identify mo, after a crisis, kung na-handle mo ba yung situation or hindi. Ngayon, kapag na-handle mo yung situation na yun, ano yung ginawa mo? Dapat mong i-list yun para malaman mo yung mga situation or mga possible solution. Ngayon, kapag hindi, mag-isisilbing lesson sa'yo yun. Kung ano yung mga dapat mong gagawin, if ever na magkaroon pa ng crisis, ayun yung mga dapat mong gagawin sa susunod. Yeah.
Thank you po.